Hello and welcome back to a new half term. This is going to be a busy one. There is so much to do during this half term. But the first thing I want to tell you about, because I told you there's going to be a big surprise about what our challenge is going to be this half term. And this is a sneak peek of what the challenge is going to be. Here we go.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us a piggy pudding. Oh, bring us a piggy pudding. Oh, bring us a piggy pudding and bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We all like a piggy pudding. We all like a piggy pudding. We all like a piggy pudding with all its good cheer. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
So this half term, we're going to be learning how to sing in sign language, "We wish you a Merry Christmas." Isn't that fantastic? Each week, we're going to break down the song into little bits and we'll learn the signs that go with each one of the sections. We want to have a very special thanks to Miss Hume, who is the person that you see in the video, and she's one of our teachers here at Newlands, and she put together all of the practice work that we're going to be doing for our challenge. So I'm very excited about that, and I'm sure you will be too. Now, today is a celebration assembly, and as always, we have lots and lots to celebrate. And the first thing we're going to celebrate is the going for gold. Going for gold. In Leeds class, we have Alice for settling into the morning nursery. In York class, we have Harvey for being kind and helping a friend play a game. Also in York class, we have Lacey for practicing her use of Fred Talk when playing with her friends. In Hall class, we have Jackson for fantastic number work and counting this week. He loves maths. We also have Leland for listening so well in history this week and finding out all about Guy Fawkes and Bonfire Night. In Nottingham, we have Jacob for fantastic knowledge in maths when learning about ports and holes. We also have Isabella Ilm for always putting in 100% effort into everything she does and being so eager to learn at school and at home. In Liverpool class, we have Lexi for her attitude, her positive attitude towards work and being so keen to join in all discussions. We also have Morning for always giving her best in all learning tasks. In Cardiff class, we have Dylan for always offering answers during class discussion. We also have Darcy for consistently working hard in all lessons and being a super model. In Edinburgh 1, we have Oliver for superb mathematical reasoning and problem solving. We also have Ava for working hard on her maths this week. In Edinburgh 2, we have Jessica for always making good choices and being a positive role model. We also have Poppy for a huge improvement in her times table rock star score. In Cambridge class, we have Lacey for becoming more independent in her learning, and Connor for persevering with challenging work. In Oxford class, Callum for 100% accuracy in grammar with Mrs. Callahan on Wednesday. And we also have Jessica for making sure she always works to the very best of her abilities in all subjects. In Lincoln class, we have Billy Joe, who tried his best and carried on when things got tough. In Chester class, we have Lucas for really working hard in his maths lessons, ignoring distractions, and staying on task. What an amazing group of children we've had this week for our Going for Gold Awards. Let's give them a big round of applause. Now we have the Year of Being Brave Award. First, we have Leeds class. Leeds, we have Jackson for trying new things. In York class, we have Harrison for moral bravery, reminding others to be kind and share when playing outside. In Hull class, we have Jakob for intellectual bravery, for wanting his daddy to tell his teacher that his tooth had fallen out, so he didn't want to eat for a bit. We also have Boba for discipline bravery, for persevering with his letter formation and name writing. He can now write a beautiful capital A for his name. In Nottingham class, we have Davis for showing bravery in read, write, ink, and learning some tricky sounds and words. We also have Susanna for the same thing, for her bravery in read, write, ink, and learning some tricky sounds and words. In Liverpool, we have Amelia for intellectual bravery, for learning sign language and using it widely in school to promote positivity. We also have Lexi for empathetic bravery, for using and always thinking about others and how to be considerate to them. In Cardiff class, we have Scylla for intellectual bravery, for working hard to improve in maths. We also have Rosie for discipline bravery, for working hard on her spelling at home. In Edinburgh 1, we have Dylan for using discipline bravery to work hard and try to improve his handwriting. We also have Harry for using discipline bravery to work hard and try to improve his handwriting as well. In Edinburgh 2, we have Riley for showing empathetic bravery. He could see one of his friends was sad, and he did his best to make them feel happy. We also have Warren for discipline bravery this week, and he can recognize 4-digit numbers independently now. In Cambridge class, we have Marta for showing moral bravery and making sure that everyone in class is treated fairly. In Oxford class, we have discipline bravery for Sky and Casper D for having self-discipline to manage both their disappointments after a long wait in science this week. In Lincoln class, we have Isaac for discipline bravery with coping with all the changes in the class. In Chester class, we have Kai for discipline bravery, for coming to school every morning, doing a full day at school, and working hard in all of his lessons, making sure he puts things away, and following the school timetable. Another fantastic group of children showing lots of different kinds of bravery. Let's give them a big hand. Well, that's it for another week. We're so very proud of our children, and we thank all of our families and our staff for the hard work they put in this week. Next week, we start our new challenge of learning the song, We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Why don't you, if you're at home, practice and try with us as well. Have a good weekend. Bye.